Are you tired of skyrocketing energy bills? If you or a loved one is struggling with high electricity costs, listen up. A top energy expert has uncovered a long-buried invention from the age of steam engines. This discovery could slash your power bills by up to 90%. And, surprisingly, it has nothing to do with solar panels or wind turbines. Instead, it utilizes a simple yet powerful principle hidden for over a century. While other solutions only offer temporary relief, this addresses the root of the problem. Before you face another month of crippling expenses, you need to see this. This expert was forced out for revealing a billion-dollar secret they weren't supposed to know. They've found a straightforward, clinically proven method you can start using today. More than 88,000 smart Americans are already using it to eliminate their energy bills. And remember, this has nothing to do with expensive solar panels or complicated setups. Stop everything and click the link below to watch a short free video. The energy industry doesn't want you to see this. Watch it now before it's too late.